Going to unlock a Siemens AX72 on our Martech box. First of all, we need to get the phone apart because we're going to have to test point it. Right, get your back cover off, get your battery out. Underneath here, as you can see, we have 4 T5 screws. Using your trusty T5 screwdriver, remove the screws. Okay, as you're basically taking the screws out, you should start feeling the case coming away in your hand. Once you get the last screw out, pop your case off, just run your fingernail through. Gently with it, as you can see, it's coming away. Give it a little bit of a push down like so, just on top of the SIM card reader I find generally works. And as you can see, it's coming away. And with one final crack, it's off. Okay, the test point is under this can here. Just with your fingernail, get under it and pull it up gently, like so. They do tend to bend, but they are quite flexible, so you should be able to straighten it out quite nicely. Okay, the test point we're going for is in the region of this chip here. It's probably a lot easier to see on the actual test point photos. You can see there's many points there. Okay, let's go get this hooked up to the computer and let's go test point. Okay, load up your Martech software. Make sure you've got your test point adapter plugged into your Martech box, like so. And you've got your test point needles ready, and the appropriate sodium cable. First of all, let's plug the main cable into the phone, like so. On the unlocking software, you should have AX72 selected, and as we can't do a direct unlock, we've got the test point adapter selected as well. Press unlock all locks. As you can see it now, bring up the test point picture. This is where we're going to hit. And we need to apply the battery connector, which can be found under battery information. So as shown there, we're going to hook our battery connector up. Like so. Needles now. Okay, apply your needles. Once it says they're all okay on the screen, press the little black button on the side of the clip. Okay, when it asks you to, just remove the test point needles. Okay, there you go, you have one successfully unlocked AX72. The only thing I will suggest, what we did in the end to get this one to unlock, is we used boot variant 2 with the test point 2. It's just a case of modifying which ways you're going to do it. Occasionally they can just be a little bit stubborn. Okay, let's go put the phone back together. Place your cam back on, like so. Might need to give it a bit of a push down because obviously it has got a little bent when you've taken it off. Right, get your back of your case, pop it on the back like so. Click it in before you start putting the screws in, and then grab your T5 screws and screw the phone back up. Okay, once you've screwed your phone back together, grab a SIM from another network, pop it in, okay, as we can see the phone was originally on Virgin, and now as you can see it's successfully unlocked to O2 UK.